मूर्ति की। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की, समस्त साधु मंडल की, जगत गुरु श्री चंद्रशेखरेंद्र सरस्वती की। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। तिमिकित तिमिकित वाजमृदंगा, तिमिकित तिमिकित वाजमृदंगा, कालगरी गजानन ब्रह्मा, कालगरी गजानन। ಪಸ್ಪು ರಾವಣನ್ ಕಂಸನ ವಧೆಗೆ ತவிர பகவானாலே திருத்த முடியலையா. Maybe which is why Mahans and gurus like Narada, Valmiki and Adi Shankara were destined to be reborn as various forms. என்ன various forms? நாரதர் புரந்தரதாசராகவும் வால்மீகி தியாகராஜராகவும் அந்த வரிசையில ஆதிசங்கரர் மகாபெரிவாகவும் அவதாரம் பண்ணினாராம். தெய்வம் மனுஷ ரூபினா. God is in the form of mankind. Guru Hara Guru Hari Guru Brahma Guru Hari Guru Brahma Guru Hara Guru Hari Guru Brahma Guru Hara Guru Hari Guru Brahma Gurave Sakshat Parabrahma Gurave This is the essence of my today's Sangeeta Panyasam with the blessings of my party, Kalai Mamani Srimati Vaijayanti Mala and my Guru Amma. I start the Katha on Mahaperiyava Charitram with Guru Stuti. Apara Karuna Sindhum Jnanadam Shantaruhinam Shri Chandrasekharam Gurum Pranamami 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 Udaram Apara Karuna Sindhum Jnanadam Shantaruhinam Shri Chandrasekharam Gurum Pranamami 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 அப்படி மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம் மாது தேவோபவ பித்ரு தேவோபவ ஆச்சாரிய தேவோபவ அப்பேற்பட்ட ஆச்சாரியாலே வணங்குறதுல ரொம்ப பாக்கியம். பா darshan to common people only 3 days in a year. They are Tirthira, Kumbhabhishekam and Guru Puja. But Mahaperiyava is born to break this rule. He made himself available 24/7, 365 days for bhaktas and devotees. Kalatram Danam Putra Pautradi Sarvam Ham Bandhavanam Sarvamekati Jatam Manaschena Lakam Guroram Gripadme Tatakim 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 Tatakim. This is Guru Ashtakam by Adi Shankaracharya. Here he says, Kalatram Dadam Putra Pautradi Sarvam Graham Bandhavanam Sarvamekati Jatam. This means that even if you have wife, wealth, home, relatives, born rich, Manaschena Lagam Guroram Gripadme. If your mind doesn't bow at Guru's feet, Tatakim, 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 Tatakim. What is the use? Yadupayan, 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 Yadupayan. Lepidi, Shivakumaran, Punyam, Mundadava, Mayukanaro. Appadi Mahaperiyava, for the benefits of all, Bharata Deshata, Moonru Dharma Balam Vandu, Guru Kripa Katakshathukku Patramanan. Eppadi Ramayanam has 7 cantos, adhe madri Mahaperiyava has 7 cantos. Avatara Kantam, Vijayatra, Arpudam, Upadesham, Anugraham, Sarvagnya and Smaranam. This Upanyasam will outline briefly the 7 cantos of Mahaperiyava. In the first canto, Avatara Kantam, 1894, May 20th, Shali Vahana Sahakam, Vaishakha Masam, Jaya Varusham, Anusha Nakshatram, Simha Lagnam, Shri Subramanya Shastri, Mahalakshmi Dampatiyarku, Mahaperiyava Janana Paninaram. Periyavaloda Purvashava Namam Swaminathan, Agan childhood name. In 1905 to 1916, Periyava's education, he is well versed in chanting Vedas, Itihasas, Agama, Shastra, Puranas, and not only that, but Sanskrit Granmatyams. He was fluent in reading, writing, and speaking several languages. Periyavaku Bhasha Jnanamum Romba Jasti. He was multilingual. In the second canto, Vijayatra Kantam, that canto tells us about his pilgrimage. 1917 to 1932, Periyava attended Kanchi Kamakshi Kumbhabhishekam. 1933 to 1943, Kashmir to Kanyakumari Kshetradanam, temple renovation, conducted yagam for world peace, Lokashemaratham. 1994, மறுபடியும் காஞ்சி காமாட்சி கும்பாபிஷேகம். நாமளும் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே காஞ்சி மாநகரம் போவோமா?
Thank you.
jasti. He was a great musician, a composer, and Vainika. As a part of the fourth canto, Upadesha Kantam, his composition of Maitri Bhajata Abhilate Maitri Bhajata Cultivate friendship. This would conquer the hearts of all. Atmavadeva Paranami Pashita.
சூப்பராக ட்ரை போடுங்க சார். கண்டிப்பாக இப்போ ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ரொம்ப நேரமாக பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. இதுவும் அதே ஃபோன். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Mother Earth gives us all the desires, Kama Dukkarte, food, shelter, clothing, etc. Janako Devaha Sakala Gayalo. He says all of us have one Father, Sakala Gayalo. Damyata practice restraint, develop passion, Dayatvam, Shreyo Bhuya Sakala Janan. He says to all of us, hey Manusha, the only way Mother Earth can prosper is through restraint, compassion and passion. As a part of Upadeshakantam from Devatin Kural, once a rich man and a devotee of Periyava bragged by saying, Danam to poor people. Periyappa humbly smiled. The man got confused. He asked Periyappa for the reason why he smiled. Periyappa asked, "Why did you do Danam?" The man remained silent. "You should have done Dharma." The man asked, "Is there a difference between Danam and Dharma?" Periyappa said, "Nischayama, yes. எதையுமே எதிர்பார்க்காமல் செய்வதற்கு பெயர் தர்மம். எதையோ எதிர்பார்த்து செய்வதற்கு பெயர் தானம். நீ தர்மம் கொடுத்துக்கோ." Such is the wisdom of wise people. Shreyo bhuyat sakala jananam. This is the composition penned by His Holiness Periyappa and was sung by Srimati M.S. Subbulakshmi Amma at the New York UN General Assembly. The stage of Kanchiyan 1965, Periyappa had distributed lakhs of copies of Hanuman Chalisas across the nations to fellow Indian soldiers to gain strength against the war and battle. 1976, Devatin Kural Velidu, a book called The Voice of God, was published. In 1977 to 1980, Pandaripuram Darshan. 1981 to 1992, Periyappa stayed at Kanchi Matam. At several times, Periyappa would go on Kashtamana Vritam by consuming Verum Tulasi Tirtham for days, hours and nights. This reminds me of sharing a story from Devatin Kural as it goes. One day, a group of people visited the Matam to seek his blessings. That day, Periyappa was on Kashtamana Vritam. But then, he came out to speak with one Bhakta from the month. He asked, "Periyappa, இப்படி பண்ணிட்டேளே about breaking the Vritam." For which Periyappa said, "The visitors were all blind, they cannot see me but only hear me. அப்போ எங்க பேசணுமோ அங்க பேசணும்பா. ஆத்மவதேவ பராணபி பஷ்யத." It reminds to put yourself in others too. Only then you will realize the problem above. அப்பேற்பட்ட மகான், a great guru, a leader, Paramasarthi, above all, a great soul is Periyappa. This covers the 5th canto, Anugraha Kandam. In 1993, Kolahalamana Kanakabhishekam for Kanchi Periyappa. This happened at Thiruvanai Kovil in Tiruchi as a grand Mahotsavam. At 1992, January 8, Periyappa attained his closest feat Mahasamadhi Adinjalam. This point, Jivatma became Paramatma. Manasche lalakam guroram vipadne tatakim 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 tatakim. அப்படி ஒழிச்சலும் இல்லாமல் ஓட்டமும் நடியுமாய் for more than 60 years, Periyappa was involved in Dharma Pracharam. Under the rules of Paramacharya, we are all enjoying the shelter.
ஏன்னா ரொம்ப ஆனந்தமாக இருக்குது. அப்படியே கண்ணால் தாரதாரியாக விட்டு கேட்க வேண்டியது எல்லாம். ஸோ ஒரு இதுக்கு நம்ம பேசிட்டு என்னமோ இது கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். தயவு செஞ்சு பின் ட்ராப் சைலண்டாக இருக்கும் ப்ளீஸ். ஏன்னா குழந்தைகள் கஷ்டப்பட்டிருக்கா, அதெல்லாம் நம்ம நல்லா ஆனந்தப்படணும்.
Wow, that was amazing. I think when I was in 2nd grade, I could barely tie my shoes, and he is already doing a cutlery and knows so much about Pedira. So, a big round of applause. So, next we're going to have a short quiz again. And before that, we'll be giving a gift for Karthik.
After this entertaining and performance by this little Karthik, who is said to be in the 2nd standard, we are all in 12th standard. And now I think they are going to be cursing me for putting the mic for too long, but the schedule says that we have to stop him. We have stopped him. So we are going to go there. Now, when we have started saying that Mahamandapam is coming, we are digging out so many diamonds. When the Mahamandapam has come in, in reality, I don't know how many